Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing a tutorial on this look right here. Before I get into this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. I'm using the Morphe 35O palette and a dense fluffy brush from Sephora. I'm starting off with this yellow color, one down from the top, and I am blending this right above my crease. Now I'm taking this light brown color at the top and I am using the same brush and I am blending that in my crease, and right above my crease I'm starting my transition shade. Then I'm going in with this darker brown with a fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm blending this all in my crease and up to my brow bone in the front as well. Now I'm going to take this top orange color, and with the same brush, I'm blending this also in my crease and a little bit below my crease. Now I'm taking this orange color in the middle, and with a flat brush, I am placing this on my lid. Now I'm taking the bottom shimmery orange shade, and with my finger, I'm placing that in the center of my eyelid. And I am blending out the edges with a blending brush and then going back and applying just a little more. Now with this top orange, I am going in with a smaller defining brush for the bottom lash line. And then taking the top orange again, with the flat brush, I am placing that all over on my lash line as well. Then I'm taking this sparkly, almost pink iridescent color, and I'm placing that with a small fine tip brush right on the inner corner and blending it up a little bit. Then with another Morphe brush, I am taking my banana powder and just creating that winged effect with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna let that sit there for a little bit. And then I go ahead and wipe that away. I went ahead and did my liner and lashes off camera. The lashes I am wearing are LILLY lashes. I'm just not sure of the style because I accidentally threw the packaging away. And now I am just blending those lashes in with mascara and also putting that on the bottom lashes. Now I am lining my lips with the color Dolce from Kylie Jenner's lip kit, filling my lips in with that as well, and then topping it off with the lip stain. And now I am taking a Sephora brand tight lining pencil from my top waterline. Alright, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. Also, let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. And I will see you soon. Bye.